Hello and welcome back. So today I will be showing you how to fix the error where let's say you have a character like this one with colliders, rigid body and everything, and let's just say that your character just falls right through objects that are animated or simply have actual physics or anything in that matter where for some reason your character just falls right through the object. So for example, for this cube right here, I have it animated to simulate an elevator. So let's go here and show you. See, I have it animated for it to go up and down, simulating an elevator. But my character, as I will show you right now, let's click play. For some reason, every time I get on that cube and it animates going up, it falls right through. And this will happen to anybody who has a 3D character with a rigid body and um, colliders added to their body. So let's jump on the cube. Let's wait for it to animate. And I will show you. See, falls right through. There's the keep going up. So I have looked online as always, and the answers I found were very complicated, and most of the answers included scripting. So to not give ourselves that headache, I'm going to show you the simplest way possible to fix this error. So all you have to do is go up on the left side of the screen right here where it says edit, go to project settings, and where it says physics, click on default max depenetration velocity and change that number to say 2000 for example. Oops, sorry about that. Close that. Alright, so let's click play now and you'll see how it will fix itself and the character will not fall through the cube. And as I said, guys, these are things I find while I am creating my games that I find on my own, and I feel like it's my responsibility to tell you guys things that at least me, I looked online and I could not find any simple answers like this. And this is the simplest way I found to fix it. And there you go, it's fixed. The character is not falling through. As you can tell, it's not perfect. If you play around with the numbers, you might be able to get a better result. But at the end of the day, the character is not falling through the elevator. All right, have a good one. That's all I have for you today.